Hey guys, Eddie here from RStudioWorks. In this video, I will talk about how I set up my profile page on TikTok. I have recently started affiliate marketing. If you are interested to see my journey, click on the link above here to see the playlist. I have opened my TikTok account a few months ago, and I use it to post some unrelated videos. I have since repurposed the account for my digital marketing business. Since I never really used it much before, I didn't feel the need to create a new one. I had about 10 followers on that account and a few thousand likes. I've rebranded the account for use by my affiliate marketing brand. I filled in my profile and switched to a business account, since I knew I needed it to run ads and promos. So I completed all this and started posting for a few days. I wasn't ready yet to make a detailed profile page, since I didn't have any product to promote and just wanted to get used to posting on TikTok. After a few days, I created a profile page on card.co. This is a free website where you can create profile pages. You can then use this profile page to display all your links and your other social media. So basically, you just have to go to card.co, that's CARRD.co, and choose a starting point. Here you can choose to go to profile, and this will show you all the available templates you have to create a profile. So you can choose any of these. Some of them are pro templates where you have to pay to be able to use those, but a lot of them are for free, so you can just choose these ones. So you can select it. This will give you a quick tutorial how to use the website. So all you have to do here is just come in and customize it. You can change the text, and these are the icons you can change. And this is where you're going to put your URL for whatever social media you have. This link for mine. So once you're done, you can preview it on mobile or on a laptop. So you need to put in a title here. So profile test for this one. Just a small description. Link. The name is available. Click on publish. And that's it. You have a profile page. So you can visit the site. This is what it's going to look like to the public. And so you can start using this link on all your social media. Basically, after you publish it, you can now use this link on any of your social media profiles. This is how people will get all your contacts in the future. This is the link I have added to my Twitter profile, my Instagram, my Facebook, and of course TikTok. After I completed my profile, I went on to update my TikTok profile. To my big surprise, there was no way I could put that link in. Remember, I had already switched my account to a business account, but no website link was available to me. Apparently, this is a new thing that TikTok has implemented, where a user needs to have at least 1,000 followers to be able to add a website link to their profile. At that time, I only had a few hundred followers. So once you have your 1,000 followers, you can then add this link right here. So the way to do it is to click on edit profile, go down to website, and change the link here. This link is very important for affiliate marketing. This is like a gateway to your marketing funnels. So if you don't have this, it's very difficult to get people to go to your website. Adding the URL as a text on the video is one way to do it, or you can tell people to check your other social media profiles. But having a clickable link is the best way to do it. I was very impatient to get to 1,000 followers. So I promoted a few posts to get me those followers. My thinking was that I was going to lose out on any customers if I didn't have that link available while I am promoting any posts. In reality, with 1,000 followers, barely anyone clicked on my TikTok profile, let alone went to my card.co profile. So I would recommend that you wait to grow your TikTok followers organically before you even bother about having a clickable link in your profile. Let's quickly see how many clicks I got on my profile from my promotions. So this is my TikTok profile. I go to the business suite, go to analytics. So here you can see I had 11,000 views or so, but only 50 profile views. This is my followers growth rate. As you can see, I'm only choosing United States to make my promotions for now. You can also go to promote and see the number of link clicks I got from promotion. So I had 9,000 video views, $55 spent, 641 likes, but 0 clicks. This is where the clicks to the card.co profile would be. As you can see, I got almost no clicks on my card.co profile. So it's probably worth it to just wait until you get your 1,000 followers organically instead of paying for ads to increase your followers. I also shortened the links using Bitly to be able to track how many people actually go to my card profile or click on any links in there. In the next video, I'll be talking about setting up a basic funnel to capture emails of people interested in the products I am promoting. Don't forget to join me for that one, as I will also be giving an update on the amount of followers I have acquired during the past week. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel, make sure you click on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video, and I'll see you then. Take care.